So at ISER Caribe, we developed the first land-based coral, sea urchin, and crab nursery here in Puerto Rico. We have 2 facilities at the Department of Marine Science at the University of Puerto Rico in La Peguera at Isla Megueyes, where we are right now. And we have another facility in Ceiba. These facilities have a name. They're called Centro de Investigación y Restauración de Organismos Marinos. And at these facilities, what we're doing is that we're producing sea urchins, corals, and herbivorous crabs for coral reef restoration. We started off with this project of restoration with a very special sea urchin, also known as the black sea urchin or the long-spined sea urchin, Diadema antillarum. We started our restoration project with this particular sea urchin because they went through a mass mortality event in the early 1980s, and they still, up to today, haven't fully recovered. And we are seeing another mortality event of them in the past couple years. So what we're doing is that we're collecting their babies from the field and bringing their small little tiny urchins back to these tanks and growing them to larger sizes. The reason why we're doing this is to give them a better chance of survival on the reefs because they're bigger and there are not that many predators that can eat them when they're bigger. Right now, we're also growing 2 other species of sea urchins. We're growing the West Indian sea egg, which I showed previously in the other video. This is Trypnosis ventricosas. And we're also growing Echinometra viridis, which is the rock sea urchin that you find, and they're very common on shallow to deeper reefs. All of these species are very important in maintaining that balance on a coral reef. So reducing the algal cover, acting like the goats, eating all the nuisance little weeds on the reef, but they are helping free up the space so corals and other organisms like sponges can settle and grow on these reefs.